corn, and that is sweet corn chaat. Yes guys, this is very delicious and very tasty and very easy to make. So check out the ingredients and the recipe. Try it at home and everyone I'm sure will love it. To make corn chaat, I'm using around half kg of corn. This is fresh corn. I'm going to just steam this in cooker, just up to 1 whistle. In the cooker, just add the corn, around a glass of water, little bit of salt, and little bit of turmeric powder. Actually, Indian cooking is very much obsessed with turmeric powder. The color of turmeric powder, the yellow color, makes the dish very much attractive. So you can add it, or if you want, you can also skip it. Give this a mix. And now I'm just going to steam it in the cooker for up to 1 whistle so that the corn gets cooked. It doesn't take much time for the corn to get cooked. Now the corn is cooked. I'll just let the cooker to cool down for some time and then I'll start with the tadka. For tadka, I'm using around 2 green chilies finely chopped, around a pinch of cumin seeds. I'm already using roasted cumin powder, so just a little bit of it, some curry leaves, a cup of finely chopped tomatoes, a cup of finely chopped capsicum, that is the green pepper I'm using, a cup of finely chopped, very much finely chopped, this is carrot, again a cup of onion finely chopped. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. For taste I am using half teaspoon of black salt and half teaspoon of rock salt, 2 tablespoon of tomato sauce and 2 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. And last but not the least, around 2 to 3 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can see the corn is also cooked. So it is ready for the tadka. Now in a thick bottom pan or kadhai, just take little bit of butter. You can use butter or olive oil or a mix of it. Too much of oil and butter is not required in this particular dish. Just to fry up the vegetables, I am using a bit. In this I have added the cumin seeds, the curry leaves and the green chilies, just roasted for around 30 seconds. Add the onions. No need to turn the onions light brown in color. As soon as it turns a little bit translucent, add the other vegetables. Add the peppers. Add the carrot. Today I am making a very simple flavor. Further to the sauces, you can also use garlic sauce, green chili sauce, or you can use tomato sauce and use Szechuan sauce. So always the flavor you can use as per your desire, as per your taste you can make it. So now I'll add the tomatoes. Add the cumin powder, black pepper and red chili powder. The salt. Mix it. Add the tomato sauce. The sweet chili sauce. Give it a nice mix. Once this is done, just add the corn, drain out the water and add the corn to the pan. finally garnish with freshly chopped green coriander and it is ready to serve. Just mix it. After rock salt and black salt, if you feel that the quantity of salt is still less, the taste has not come up, so you can balance it up with the common salt. So now delicious corn chaat is ready within no time. It doesn't take much time. Corn is already cooked in the cooker. So after just tossing up the vegetables for few minutes, you can just add the corn and the corn chaat is ready. If you have liked this video, click on like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for much more new recipes.